Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ford Explorer in BeamNG. Drive. First, you'll need to understand that this vehicle is a community-made mod, not official content. We'll guide you through finding reliable sources for these mods, ensuring a safe download. Then, we'll cover the simple steps to install the mod correctly into your game. Finally, you'll be ready to enjoy driving the Ford Explorer in BeamNG. Drive, experiencing its unique physics and features. To begin, the safest place to find mods is the official BeamNG Drive in-game repository, as these are manually checked by moderators. For a wider selection, you can also visit trusted third-party websites such as Modland, Net, or ModHub. When using external sites, always read reviews and comments to ensure the mod is high quality and free from issues. This helps avoid potential problems and ensures a smooth experience. Once you've found your desired Ford Explorer mod, download it as a single zip file. It's crucial not to extract the contents of this zip. Next, open BeamNG. Drive, go to the main menu, and select Manage User folder, then open in Explorer. Inside this folder, you'll find a mods directory. Simply drag and drop the entire downloaded zip file into this mods folder. The game will automatically recognize it. After successfully installing the mod, launch BeamNG. Drive. Navigate to the Vehicle Selector menu, where your new Ford Explorer should now appear alongside the game's default vehicles. Select it, and you're ready to hit the roads or off-road trails with your custom vehicle. Remember that some mods might have specific configurations or liveries you can adjust in the Vehicle Customization menu. And speaking of enhancing experiences, if you love reading, check out the link in the description for a great deal on a new e-reader, plus other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.